Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an intriguing topic to discuss the incredible benefits of eating just one clove a day. It might sound simple, but the magic it can work for your health is truly astonishing. Clove, a common spice used in various culinary dishes, is packed with incredible health benefits. Clove is renowned for its immunity-boosting properties. Consuming one clove a day can help your body fight off illnesses and stay healthy. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which can protect your cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Chewing on a clove can freshen your breath and help relieve toothaches due to its natural analgesic properties. One clove a day can aid digestion, reduce gas, and improve overall gut health. It's great for those with indigestion issues. Clove has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Now that you know about the magic of one clove a day, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your diet. You can add a clove to your tea for a warm, soothing flavor and all its health benefits. Use cloves in your cooking, especially in Indian and Middle Eastern dishes, for that extra zing and health boost. For quick benefits, simply chew a clove for a minute or two every day. And there you have it, the magic of eating one clove a day. It's a simple and natural way to promote your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.